Meaning of hot wire.
Hot wire.
Hot wire.
Hot wire.
Hot wire. Hot wire can refer to different things depending on the context. In automotive engineering, hot wire refers to a type of mass airflow sensor that measures the amount of air entering an engine to determine fuel injection rates. In industrial instrumentation, hot wire is a type of anemometer used to measure the speed of gas flows. In general, the term hot wire refers to a wire or filament that is electrically heated, usually for measurement purposes. The result of heating the wire is either a change in electrical resistance, as in a mass airflow sensor, or a change in heat transfer, as in an anemometer.